the mystery behind the small hole in the green eggplant. Part 1. Opening. Have you ever picked a green eggplant in the garden and then, when you cut it open, found something unexpected? A tiny caterpillar was happily feeding inside. And lo and behold, there's a caterpillar crawling on a green eggplant looking for a fresh part of the eggplant to eat. And we can see this with the help of a sophisticated microscope. You see that caterpillar? Its body is very clear, and inside its body, there's a bright yellow color that extends along its body too. Part 2. Who really is this caterpillar? Its full name is Helicoverpa armigera, but we'll just call it the eggplant fruit borer caterpillar. Caterpillar, obviously, because it looks like a caterpillar in general. Boerworm is unique. It doesn't just feed on the surface. It digs a hole, then goes in. It lives inside the fruit while it eats. Eggplant is its favorite food, but it also likes tomatoes, chilies, corn, and even cotton. Part 3. The mystery of birth on an eggplant. A female moth flies slowly among the eggplant plants. She lays eggs for 2 to 5 days, and when the time comes, the eggs hatch, coming out very small and transparent caterpillars. Part 4. When the tiny caterer goes into the eggplant. Despite its small size, it has powerful jaws called mandibles. With these jaws, it begins to bore a hole, usually near the fruit stem, as that's where the skin is thinnest. After about 10 to 20 minutes of hard work, a small hole is formed, just enough for its head to fit through. Then, its entire body slides in. Once inside, it won't come out again until it's time to pupate. Part 5. A close peek at the transparent body. Take a closer look. Its body looks clear, transparent, like a small mirror moving. Why is that? The caterpillar's skin is newly formed, still thin, and doesn't have much color yet. As a result, we can see inside its body. The organs inside are visible from the outside. Now, if you look closely, there's a yellow color all along its body. What's that? The yellow you see is its digestive tract, its intestines. Because its body is transparent, we can see the digestion process directly. And what you see now is the surface inside the eggplant, which is already blackish brown due to the presence of the caterpillars, which are eating away at the green eggplant. Part 6. Do caterpillars have bones? Take another look at how this caterpillar moves. Look at its body, which twists and turns so flexibly. There are no rigid parts like bones. How does it maintain its shape? Its body is supported by an external skeleton, scientifically known as an exoskeleton. It's made of a substance called chitin. This chitin is hard yet flexible. This exoskeleton covers the entire surface of its body. Its function is not only as support, but also as protection from enemies and a place for muscle attachment. Part 7. The secret of breathing in eggplant. Look closely at the caterpillar's body. There are small dots along its body. Those are its breathing holes. In biology, these holes are called spiracles. They are small, round, and lined up from front to back. Air enters through these spiracles. From the spiracles, air is circulated throughout the body through fine pipes called trachea. These pipes branch out and reach every cell in the caterpillar's body. And amazingly, this respiratory system works perfectly even though the caterpillar is inside an eggplant. Part 8. Non-stop feast. Watch this caterpillar eat. It eats and eats and keeps eating. It doesn't stop. It doesn't rest. Its jaws are constantly moving. Why is that? The answer lies in its life purpose. The caterpillar phase, or in biology called the larva phase, has one main task: to grow as large as possible in the shortest possible time. In just 2 to 3 weeks, this caterpillar must increase its body mass hundreds of fold, from the size of a fine thread to the size of a little finger. To achieve this explosive growth, it must gather as much energy as possible. It's like saving for the future, because soon it will enter the cocoon phase, where it cannot eat at all. Part 9. The phenomenon of mass production. Look closely. In the front, the caterpillar's jaws are busy chewing on the eggplant flesh, but at the same time, at the back of its body, feces are coming out. Why is that? The caterpillar's digestive tract is shaped like a short, straight tube, Food enters from the mouth directly into the intestines, where nutrients are absorbed and the rest is pushed out. There's no place for long-term waste storage. Part 10. The mystery of poop color. While observing this caterpillar, I noticed something strange. Its droppings were multicolored. Some were pale yellow, some were black, and some were even clear. What exactly was going on inside this caterpillar stomach? Let's break it down one by one. Pale yellow is the most common color. When caterpillars eat the flesh of the fruit, the yellow pigment from the eggplant is not fully digested. This pigment is excreted along with the remaining food. Then the black color can appear for several reasons. It could be food that has undergone oxidation, reacting with the air in the intestines. It could also be because the caterpillar mixed its food with dark-colored digestive fluids, or maybe it had just eaten another, darker plant part before. And the strangest thing is the clear color. Clear feces usually appear when the caterpillar has just molt. In this process called molting, the caterpillar stops eating temporarily. When it starts eating again, its first feces may still be runny and clear because its digestive system has just been turned back on after resting. Or it could also be pure digestive fluids that come out without any mixture of solid food residue. Part 12. Conclusion and closing. The next time you pick an eggplant in the garden or cut open a fruit to cook it, remember this story. Perhaps within it, an extraordinary life drama is unfolding. If you enjoy exploring the microcosm like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. There are still many tiny creatures around us that hold great mysteries. See you on the next adventure.